Ryobi Caulking Gun. I've just used this caulking gun to put down some sealant. As you can see, I've got through 6 bottles in or 6 tubes rather, in no more than 10 minutes. It's a great product, because if I were to do this by hand, it would have taken absolutely ages and my hand would have been aching by the end. So this is the Ryobi gun. I'm actually using 350 milliliter tubes here, which actually they don't fit. They're too big for the gun. So what you have to do is you have to cut off about 2 inches from the inside. So let's say about that much. So on the Ryobi, on the grip fill tubes, what I'm doing is I'm looking down here where the white markings end, and I'm going down about 5 millimeters and then sawing through, and that's it. I mean, literally 20 seconds prep work, chuck it in, and then use the gun to extrude the tubes. You cannot. I've got it set here on the fast setting. You can bring it down to the slow setting should you wish to do so, and it really makes a long, painful job quick and painless. So I highly recommend this tool.